Say it takes time to warm my mind and have me ready for you. You said never let me go. 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 You said never
guys, we lost our way. We're supposed to going to the Devil's Peak, but we arrived here at the Lemon Path Harbour Sky. But okay lang guys, because lots of experience when you lose your way. Kaya okay lang kasi nakakuha din kami ng mga videos. So we're going back to the Devil's Peak way. So this is Vivialyn Bandayanon, guys. Kakolaborate ko siya ngayon.
First time.
So, first time. First meet. First meet. So, shout out to our friends at the Planetang Bisdak. Every one of you guys.
Planetang Bisdak.
Planetang Bisdak.
To all of you guys.
Team Bombi Warriors. To my best friend, Ate Maria Dalia Bertidaso, Ate Nancy Makapas, Kuya Dato Gamay TV, Love Heart TV, Laila Park Official, our admin, and Filipina Girl USE, our admin in Planetang Bisdak, Jake Loriano.
Hi, Jake! Kigos!
So, Kigos, nakita namin si Lolo de. Loro Beaker Vlog, Sis Faye Mangas, Sis Elsa May, Sis Jane Misal. So, we're here now, guys, with my...
To all of you guys.
To all of you, mega love shout out. So, we're walking back towards to the Devil's Peak because we lost our way, guys. Ay, oh my God, here. Okay, guys, we can share you a lot of videos of it later. Okay, bye-bye. Keep safe and happy Sunday, everyone. I love you all. So, that's the Lemon Path, guys. It's a harbor, seaside harbor. Okay, see you. Happy Sunday.